Checking your account balance on the Chime Credit Builder is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime app on your mobile device. Make sure you are connected to the internet for the app to function properly. Step 2. Log into your account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to the Credit Builder section. Once logged in, look for the Credit Builder option on the main dashboard or menu. Tap on it to access your Credit Builder account details. Step 4. View your account balance. In the Credit Builder section, you will see your current account balance displayed prominently. This will show you how much is available on your Credit Builder account. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, make sure to log out of your account, especially if you are using a shared or public device. This helps protect your personal information. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Chime Credit Builder. Regularly monitoring your balance can help you manage your finances effectively.